In a sleepy town, a statue sneezed once a century and startled the morning crowd into fits of surprised giggles. The glittery puff swirled through the square and sparked a spontaneous festival as people chased shimmering dust and shared ridiculous stories. A curious barber swore the bronze figure whispered prank ideas, and the town began trading rumors about secret bronze comedians hiding in plain sight. By sunset, the statue wore a painterly grin as if approving every quirky joke, and the streets buzzed with playful energy. When the next sneeze loomed, the town gathered with confetti ready, knowing destiny might recycle hilarity again.